tractor didn't work, bigger tractor, now backhoe. I don't know. Whoa, check that out. Come on, bud. Keep pulling me. Yeah.
You're gonna hit me.
Stay right here, you guys.
Stop, guys, you're gonna hit me. Mom, when you get wrecked by that car? Yeah. Why? Because I have more. You know why it got out? You know why I prayed. That's why it got out.
Wait, back up. Back up. Come here, buddy. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Oh.